Alright, we are out with Winston. He's excited today, going to the dog park. You gotta see some geese over at Tut Hill. He wasn't too impressed with them, and they moved on pretty quick when he got in the area. But he's excited to be down here. He's moving today. Come on, Winston, no mud. Yeah, you're working today, aren't you? Good boy. Back with Winston for 3 walks. This is the 3rd walk now after his winter layoff, and so far this is his best one. He's really moving and grooving. He's happy to be down at the dog park. We'll probably make a few more visits down here. You want to take a breather, Winston? Huh? You want to take a breather? Come here. Here. Let's take a breather. Oh yeah, you gotta get a rest. You're not up for a rest yet, huh? Hey. Yeah, you're a people favorite, ain't you, Winnie? Everybody loves the bulldog. We'll let him see some other dogs through the outside of the fence a couple times before we take him in. I'm sure he'd be fine, but I'm a pretty cautious guy. Who's that, Winston? Who's that? Oh, who's there? Oh, I know you guys would be nice. Good boy, Winston. Hey! Hey! Right there! Oh yeah, you're a good boy, aren't you? Yeah, he is.
She's a big old baby. Yeah. She's just a pup yet.
Oh yeah, how old?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yep, plenty of energy to burn down here then, right?
Yeah, where I left the mouth at you.
Yeah, this one I think is coming up on 6 or 7, and for bulldog that's getting up there. Have a good day. Good boy, Winston. That's a good boy. Winston, he don't buy into it, does he? Oh, he's a good boy. All right, everybody, we will sign off and see what exploring we can get done down here for Winnie. Have a good